Hello dear students, in our earlier video we were discussing the tenses, and I have already explained you present and past tense. Now let's move to the future tense. Future tense, the main thing which you can identify future tense is the helping verb will or shall. The use of will or shall tells you that it is future tense. Okay, so one by one let's take the structure of these sentences. In simple future or present indefinite, we use simply the verb will or shall with the first form of verb. So the structure of the sentence is subject plus will or shall plus verb in first form, like I will eat or he will eat or we will eat. Well, shall is not used here, but you must know the rule, grammatical rule. Okay, with there are only two words, two subjects with which we use shall. Those are I and we. I shall or we shall. That is original grammatical rule. But these days shall is not used much. In place of shall, people use will only, and it is now acceptable. Now it is accepted that we can use will also. But if you go through the correct grammatical rule, with I and we use shall. So I shall eat or I will eat. So here remember again, use of will and verb comes in first form, that is simple present, and if you make it negative it will simply will not. I will not eat, he will not eat. In the continuous tense, future continuous, again I must remind you, continuous means verbs ing form. So verbs ing form will be used here, and as I told you, will tells the future tense, so will also be used, plus we also use the basic helping verb be, will be plus verb ing form. So it will be the structure of the sentence, subject plus will be plus verb in ing form. I will be eating, he will be eating, we will be eating. मैं खा रहा हूँगा. In future we will say like this. First simple tense I will eat means मैं खाऊंगा. I will be eating, मैं खा रहा हूँगा. He will be eating, वह खा रहा होगा. So this way we make future continuous tense. If you make it negative, here remember not will come between will and be. I will not be eating, he will not be eating, we will not be eating. Okay, sometime I have seen students writing I will be not eating, not used after be. No, that is wrong. Not will be used between will and be. Will not be eating, it is not will be not, it is will not be. Remember, perfect tense, future perfect, again with the helping verb will, we use the perfect tense helping verb have. As I told you, there are two verbs in present tense, have and has, and there is one in past tense, that is had. Here also in future there is only one have, we do not use has here. Okay, like in present tense, has for singular, have for plural, there is no use of has in future tense. Like this we will only use have, so it will be will have. And remember I told you with perfect tense we use verb in third form. I will have eaten, he will have eaten, we will have eaten. So subject plus will have plus verb third form. This is the structure of the sentences in future perfect tense, future perfect tense. Negative, I will not have eaten, not will be placed between will and have. I will not have eaten, he will not have eaten. Okay, this way we will make the future perfect tense. Now the last one is future perfect continuous. Perfect plus continuous both come. Have plus verb in ing form combined with the helping verb been. I will have been eating. He will have been eating. We will have been eating. Okay, so this way he will have been eating. It will be only have. We will not use has. Okay, so if you translate these, as I told you, again I am telling, I will eat, मैं खाऊंगा. I will be eating, मैं खा रहा हूँगा. I will have eaten, मैंने खा लिया होगा. He will have eaten, उसने खा लिया होगा. I will have been eating, मैं खा रहा हूँगा. As I told you in the first video, कि we use this specifically for mentioning the time duration also. Otherwise there is no difference between perfect continuous and continuous. I will be eating, मैं खा रहा हूँगा. I will have been eating, मैं खा रहा हूँगा. Both are same. But when we use it in a proper sentence, we also mention the time. I will have been eating for 5 minutes, or I will have been eating since 10 o'clock. This way we also mention the time in perfect continuous tense. This way we will make the sentences of future tense. Okay, I think this is clear now. I'll be again sending few questions, some exercises, and I hope you are doing those exercises which I am continuously sending you. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.